Yo, what's up traders? Welcome to a new video. So in this video, I'll be going over the performance of my EA, my trading robot. So last week we saw that it made some nice gains, but I wasn't really satisfied with the diversification part. And now I have selected less pairs, but these pairs are not, that really not really correlated, right? So I think that's better, of course, to have a portfolio of pairs that do not correlate a lot with each other. So let me see overall. I am sitting at 2% gain a month, 6.38% drawdown. The drawdown increased, as you can see over here. We saw that there's bigger drawdown. That's because of one pair. The entry wasn't that great, but eventually the trading robot closed the trades in profit. So now we have a small drawdown open of, what is it, 0.68%, which is not much. But yeah, let me see over here. For example, when I click on profit, we see a nice line to the upside, nice curvy line to the upside, big profits the last few days. So that's good, of course. The drawdown, as you can see, it increased a little bit to 5.28%. I'm not sure how my FX book calculates this, but in my opinion, it was a little bit higher, near to the 6.38%, but okay. Let's go down. Over here, we made 0.64% this week, which is good. However, I do aim for about 3 to 5% a month, but we will see in the next upcoming weeks. What will happen. Overall, I'm quite positive. I started this account 13th of October, and now we already made 3.24% gain. So a little bit longer than a month, 3.24, which is okay. But as I mentioned, I aim for 3 to 5% a month. Win rate 88%, which is good. Profit factor, it finally comes down, which is more realistic. It used to be in the 3 and the 4 and the 5, which is really high, but I also said that the longer the EA runs, the trading robot, the more realistic the profit factor becomes. So I think that we will hover between the 1.3 and the 2 for the profit factor. Let me see, what can I show you? A few trades over here. We see the last two were great trades. This was a long one. However, I stayed in the trade quite long, but in the end it closed with profit. Over here we see a few closed in the negative, but I also see this one, which is positive. So if you add this up and extract this, then we see profit. So if you add this and then if you what is it, the 0.16 and the 0.47 minus the 0.66, then we have a profit, which is good overall. And over here, every single month I deposit a small amount, so I have a nice compounding effect, of course. But let me show you a few trades. Let me see. So over here, this was the one that didn't go quite well. Let me see. Over here, these 3 trades. Yes. So overall, let me show you what I mean. Zoom in a little bit. So this one, it was quite unfortunate that it opened here. A little bit of profit, but not much. A few 15 pips, something like that, 13 pips. Then it went to the downside. Took another trade, nice support level, but it also broke the support level. We took another one over here, Finally it stabilized a little bit, and we see price went to the upside and it closes all trades in profit. Not all, these two. Oh, this one in minus. Let me see over here. Let me see. Yeah, okay, so this one with a loss, this one with a small loss, and then over here we have a big win. So that means that overall the trade got closed in profit, which is good. Let me show you another one, maybe the last two, because these were nice trades. Let me see. Over here, there was a nice trade. All right, 13 pips and closed in profit. We see it went, yeah, it's a downtrend, but we also see here that it respected the support levels, and yeah, there's a possibility that price goes to the upside, and that's exactly what it did. So a nice buy order and close with profit. Then a day later, the price dropped a little bit. Over here went to the downside. Let me zoom in a little bit more. Okay, price went down. We see that it still, yeah, finally goes up. We also see that it broke the resistance over here, break, kind of a retest, and then buy order to the upside. 13, about 30, 14 pips, close with profit, and yeah, those are the best trades, I think. So yeah, that is basically the performance of this week. I'm looking forward to next week, and yeah, I didn't take a lot of trades, the EA, this week. There were also a few yeah, open positions of the previous strategy. So yeah, these are almost closed right now. Let me see which ones are open. So I only have the New Zealand CHF open. So once these trades are closed in profit, then I don't have any open old trading strategy pairs anymore. So yeah, that's it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I see you in the next video.